My name is Dominic Osei-Ifum. I have a background in geography and resource development and political science. Currently, I'm in the sales and marketing department at Total Energies Marketing Ghana PLC.
Hello, my name is Courtney. I am a product specialist at a fintech startup called iPay Solutions Limited. And one thing that's exciting about myself is I love listening to music.
Hello, my name is Elvis Afo. I was part of Blossom Academy's data analytics program sponsored by Internet Society. I have a background in electrical and electronics engineering, and I have the passion to use data to make data-driven decisions.
The quality of instruction and support in this program has been exceptional. Also, the instructors are knowledgeable, approachable, and are always ready to guide us through any challenges we may face. We also have access to premium version of Data Camp, which supplements or complements what we are being taught in class. And I believe this is going to help us improve on our skills.
So before applying to join the fellowship, I was a tech entrepreneur. I built a startup that helps it distribute educational materials to students on WhatsApp. And I, on the side, was also learning data analytics. But the challenge I faced was I was not too confident in my skills and my abilities to analyze data. And this is one thing that the fellowship has really done for me. I quickly apply for jobs that I see that are data analytics, data science related, and it has helped boost my confidence, and I'm more confident to applying for opportunities around data.
With the skills I've gained through the fellowship program, I want to enter into consulting and freelancing to help support small businesses and also large businesses in Africa to grow.
Thank you, Internet Society, for this amazing opportunity. Helping young people like myself in Africa to equip us with data skills that can help us in the future. Thank you.